I work in a nursing home, so I work 2 to 10, so that means I don't get to eat lunch or come home for my lunch. So I got this nice, cute pink lunch bag. It is insulated, so it's going to keep my food cold and hot. It is super big. I could probably fit about 4 containers in here plus some. What I really like about this is that it has an extra zipper. So if I didn't want to put maybe my crackers or my bread, I could put it in this pocket right here. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put it in the fridge so that it stays nice and cold, but I can also put an ice pack in here as well. It has these nice little brown handles and then the pink detailing on the front. This is the bottom, and then in the inside you can just see that it gets super, super big. I can't wait to put my lunch in here, and then all you have to do is zip it up just like that. And now I can take my lunch and then I can just clip it onto my little backpack I have. I really like this and I'm super excited to use it. I'm gonna go pack my lunch so I can get on the road for my shift. I'm Kinsey and I'll see you next time.